Good morning, students. Have a nice day. I am Max teacher Tennyson. Today we see the new chapter Algebra on the topic of rational expressions. Definition. What is a rational expression? An expression is called a rational expression if it can be written in the form of p of x by q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials and q of x not equal to 0. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials. For example, 9 by x, 2y by y plus 1 by y square plus 4y plus 9, z cube plus 5 by z minus 4. This 9 by x, 2y plus 1 by y minus 4y plus 9, z cube plus 5 by z minus 4. These three polynomials are an rational expression. For example, now we reduce the rational expression to its lowest form. Number 1, x minus 3 by x square minus 9. The answer is x minus 3 by x square minus 9 equal to, we put x minus 3 by x plus 3 into x minus 3, we cancel x minus 3 by x minus 3, we get 1 by x minus 3. How we put the expression x square minus 9 in two polynomials? The formula is a square minus b square equal to a plus b. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We have the polynomial x square minus 9. We write it as x square minus 3 square. Then we get a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, x plus 3 into x minus 3. The second one is x square minus 16 by x square plus 8x plus 16. The answer is x square minus 16 we can be written as x plus 4 into x minus 4, and x square plus 8x plus 16 can be written as x plus 4 whole square. Here a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We write it as x square minus 4 square equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4. 4 into 4 16, 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So we apply the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we write the polynomial x square plus 8x plus 16 into x plus 4 whole square. So x plus 4 and 1 x plus 4 get cancelled. Remaining we get x minus 4 by x plus 4. This is the answer. So now we simplify this rational expression into its simplest form, x minus 4 by x plus 4. Then multiplication of rational expression. Multiplication of rational expression. If p of x by q of x and r of x by s of x are two rational expressions where q of x not equal to 0 and s of x not equal to 0, their product is p of x by q of x into r of x by s of x. We get p of x into r of x by q of x into s of x. Now I take example 3.15, multiply x square by 9y square by 27y by x power 5. The answer is x cube by 9y square into 27y by x power 5. இது நம்ம மேலே கீழே கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஐ ரைட் த நியூமரேட்டர் x cube into 27y by 9y square. I write it as 9y into y into y square. So 9y into y into x cube into x square. X power 5 can be written as x cube into x square. Then now we cancel x cube and this x cube. and y and this y, 9 ones are 9, 3 9s are 27. So all the terms are get cancelled and we get 3 by x square y. This is the answer. Then another example is x power 4 by x power 4 into b square by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by a power 4 b cube. The answer is x power 4 into b square by x minus 1 into this x square minus 1 can be written as in the form a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then we write x square minus 1 square equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. Here I write x plus 1 into x minus 1 by a power 4 and b cube can be written as b square into b. Now we cancel the terms b square and b square, x minus 1 into x minus 1. So remaining we get x power 4 into x plus 1, x plus 4 into x plus 1 by a power 4 into b. This is the answer. So this is the simplest form of the rational expression. Next one is division of rational expressions. If p of x and p of x by q of x and r of x by s of x are two rational expressions where q of x comma s of x not equal to 0, then we write the division of rational expression as p of x by q of x division r of x by s of x equal to p of x into s of x by q of x into r of x. For example, example 3.16, find the value of x square minus 16 by x plus 4 divide x minus 4 by x plus 4. இந்த ரெண்டு பாலினாமியம் என்ன செய்யணும், டிவைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். The answer is x square minus can be written x square minus 16 by x plus 4 divide x minus 4 by x plus 4. This x square minus 16 can be written as x square minus 4 square by x plus 4 into, I write this fraction into inverse. இதை தலைகளை மாற்றி போடணும். அப்போ x plus 4 by x minus 4 மாறிடும். This division symbol change into multiplication. இந்த fraction என்ன ஆயிரும், நமக்கு தலைகளை மாற்றி போடணும். So now we get x plus 4 into x minus 4 by x plus 4 into x plus 4 by x minus 4. So the x minus 4 x minus 4 cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம். Cancel this x plus 4 into x plus 4. So remaining we get x plus 4. The formula is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then x square minus 4 square equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4. So far we learned that what is an rational expression, its multiplication, its division and examples. Thank you, students.